Hello, we want to solve for the value of x in this beautiful equation. So in here, I'm going to write the equation like x squared minus x to the power of 3, x squared minus x to the power of 3, then equals 1100. I can write it as 100 plus 100. So now from here, we're going to have x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 equals. So this can be written as 10 to the power of 3 plus 10 to the power of 2. So now from here, we are going to transpose x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus 10 to the power of 3 minus 10 to the power of 2, then equals 0. So now from there, so we are going to have x to the power of 2 minus 10 to the power of 2, then minus x to the power of 3 minus 10 to the power of 3, then equals 0. Moving on, so we're going to have x to the power of 2 minus 10 to the power of 2 minus, we take x to the power of 3 plus 10 to the power of 3, then equals 0. Recall that when you have a squared minus b squared, so this is going to be a minus b and a plus b. We have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3. So you should know that this is going to be a plus what? A plus b, then minus ab plus b squared. So these are the things we are going to be using here. Alright, so from here, the next thing we're going to do, so we're going to have x squared minus 10 squared can be written as x minus 10. Okay, then we're going to be having minus x minus 10, then x plus 10. Okay, minus, so the x raised to power 3, x raised to power 3 plus 10 to the power of 3. So that will be x plus 10, x plus 10. Okay, then into minus 10x plus 100, then all equals 0. So now from here, you can see we have something common, which is x plus 10. X plus 10 is common. So we have x plus 10 into bracket. Okay, so now when you divide this by this, so you are going to be left with x minus 10. So we're going to be having x minus 10 here, then minus x minus 10 minus into bracket x squared minus 10x plus 100, then equals 0. So we have x plus 10, then x minus 10 minus x squared plus 10x minus 100, then equals 0. So now the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to have x plus 10 into bracket, so minus x squared, 10x plus 1x, this plus this, we're going to have plus 10x, that's going to be 10x plus 10x, sorry, 11x. Okay, then we have what we have, minus 110, then equals 0. Now from there, the next thing we're going to do, you can see that for case 1, x plus 10 is equal to 0, so which implies that x is equals to minus 10. So we have one solution, so to be that. Then going forward, so we take the second case, which is case 2. We're going to have minus x squared plus 11x minus 110 equals 0. So we can rewrite this equation by taking x squared to the other side. We're going to have x squared, and we're going to have minus 11x, and we're going to have plus 110 then equals 0. So now from there, what we can do now is to compare this. Solving this problem, we are going to compare with what? We compare with quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So according to that, we're going to have a to be 1, b is going to be minus 11, c is going to be 110. All right, so from there, the next thing we're going to do, we are now going to find the value of x using what? Find the value of x using quadratic formula that say minus b plus or minus b squared, okay, minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so moving on, we're going to have x equals minus 11 plus or minus, we have the b squared is minus 11 squared, okay, minus 4 times what is our a, 1, what is our c, we have what we have 110, then all divided by 2a. And what is our a? A is 1 multiplied by 1. Understand? So we have x to be equals 11 plus or minus. So we're going to have this to be 121. So minus 4 times 1 times 110. So we're going to be having this to be minus 440, then divided by 2. So we have x equals 11 plus or minus the square root of, so 121 minus 440, so we are going to be having 319, that is minus 319, then divided by what? Divided by 2. So now we are going to have what? We're going to have x equals 11 plus or minus, so we can rewrite it as minus 1 multiplied by square root of 319 and all divided by 2. X equals 11 plus or minus, then the square root of minus 1 is same thing as what? I. So keep it. Alright, so we're going to have I, the square root of 319, and divided by what? Divided by 2. So we have x to be equals 11 plus or minus or plus I root 319 divided by 2. We have x equals 11 minus root 319 divided by 2. So these are we have x2 here and we have x3 here. And now we've already gotten x1 up here, which is what? Which is minus 10. Are you getting it? So, and that's the end of the class. So we can actually check and see whether we are right or not. So now using the real value that x equals what? X equals minus 10. So let's check. So we have what? We have the question x squared minus x to the power of 3 equals 1100. Right, so when x is minus 10, we're going to have minus 10 all squared minus 10 to the power of 3. So is this one going to give us 100? Okay, so this is going to be 100 minus we're going to have minus 1000. Is this going to give us 100? So now from here you can see that we have 100 plus 1000. Is this going to give us this? Okay, so therefore we're going to have finally we're going to have 100 plus 1000, that will give us 100 and 1100 and 1100. So which is the same thing as 100. So can you see that? So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the class, kindly share to your friends so they can learn from you. Bye.